Hello, my name is Hassan. In this video, I would like to show you how to construct a simple electrical circuit. In the description lines below, you can find the list of the materials as well as the link to the Amazon product page. These materials that I'm going to use now belong to an experiment kit which you can use to conduct many electricity and magnetism experiments. I'm also planning to prepare many other educational videos to demonstrate those experiments using such experimental kits. First of all, let me describe the meaning of a circuit. Circuit is a closed loop where the electricity flows. The flow of electricity means the flow of charges. For example, here I have a battery. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So it's where the electricity is generated. But when it's idle and not connected to anything, the charges do not flow, since there is no medium for them to flow. A medium where the charges can flow easily is called a conductor. For example, this copper wire is a conductor and it allows for the electrons to move easily along it. And when I connect its both ends to the terminals of this battery, the current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. But although in this case the current flows through the wire, we cannot see it because the tiny electrons are invisible to the naked eye. In order to sense that the current is really flowing, we need to convert the electrical energy to some form of visible or sensible one, like light, thermal, or mechanical energy. Here's a light bulb, which will serve for our purpose of converting the electric energy which is generated in this battery into a visible light. This light bulb does this by its tungsten filament inside it. And the tungsten filament is heated when the electrons flow along it. And when the tungsten filament is heated, it emits light because all the materials emit visible light above certain temperature, and it's called as thermal radiation. Now let's see how we can get this light bulb to light. Let's try a couple of different arrangements. For example, let me put this light bulb on top of this battery and see whether it's going to light. No, it's not emitting any light. The reason is because I need to close the loop. If I want the electrons to flow or the electricity to flow, I need to make a closed loop so that the electrons can flow easily along the conductor. The other terminal should also be connected to this light bulb. How can we do this? By using a conductor like this. If I put the conductor here, right below the negative terminal, and if I connect it to the light bulb, and if I touch the other end of the light bulb, then it starts emitting light because I'm letting the current to make a closed loop. Okay. So, and the two terminals of this light bulb is, one is the side conductor, which is the cylinder part, and the other is the bottom of the cylinder. So this is one terminal, this is another terminal. And it doesn't matter whether you connect this one to minus terminal or this one to minus terminal. If I reverse it, I can still make this light bulb to light like this. Okay. Yeah. We can also construct our circuit by introducing a switch to control the electricity. Here is how we can do it. We have three elements. One is our battery, which is sitting in the battery holder. These battery holders allow you to attach wirings on them. There are screws here. So you can connect any wiring here like this, and then you screw it. And then it's attached to the negative terminal of the battery. The same thing you can do for the positive terminal. So you can attach wiring to both of the terminals of this battery. And you can do the same thing for the light bulb holder there is a light bulb holder that you can put your light bulb, and the light bulb can sit easily here, and you can connect the wiring to both of the terminals of this light bulb like this. You just screw it like this, and you can do the wiring similarly to connect these to the circuit. Okay, and there's also another element which we call a switch, which is made to control the electricity to flow from one point to another point. So as you can see, battery, light bulb, and the switch are connected to the circuit, but the light bulb is not shining. In order to make the light bulb shine, I need to close the circuit by turning on the switch like this. As you can see, maybe I need to make it a little darker so that you can see it easily. Yep. Okay. And when I open the loop again, the light bulb stops shining. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching me. You can subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button if you want to get notified about my upcoming experiments.